Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, student? I hope you are all well. Okay, student. In previous lesson, we have read how to join letter and how to we join two letter together and how the words are formed by joining letters. We are reading these things lesson wise. So today, before starting new lesson, we just repeat the old lesson one by one and fluently and quickly. So just we start with the name of Allah. The previous lessons of this chapter. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif Lam Alif Lam Alif Ba Alif Lam Alif Lam Lam Alif Lam Ha Lam Alif Ba Lam Ba Kaf 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 Ba Kaf Ba Kaf Alif Kaf Alif Ba Kaf Ta Ta Kaf Sa Ba Ta Sa Nun Ya Ba Alif Nun Alif Ta Alif Ya Alif Sa Alif Ba Sin Yasin Nun Sin Tasin Sasin Sajim Taham Nun Kha Ya Ha Ba Jim Ya Mim Ba Mim Nun Mim Ta Mim Sa Mim Ba Ya 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 Nun Ya Ta Ya Sa Ya Nun Ba Lam Ta Nun Lam. So dear student, this is our previous lesson. So now we read and start inshallah the new lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Our new lesson start from this letter. Ba Ya Lam. First one is Ba, one dot at the bottom of the letter, the sign of Ba, and Ya, two dot at the bottom of the letter, and Lam is empty. So Ba is written in half shape, Ya is also written in half shape, Lam is in full shape. Ba Ya Lam. Next is Ya Ta Lam. Ya Ta Lam. ya, two dot at the bottom of the letter, this is the sign of ya, and two dot at the top of the letter, this is the sign of ta. So ya is written in half shape, and also ta is written in half shape and small shape, and lam is in full shape. Okay, so we read it ya ta lam. Next one is sa salam. First one is three dot at the top of the letter, this is sa, and then again three dot at the top of the letter, this is the sign of sa. Both are written in half shape. First one sa is also written in half shape, and the next one sa is written in half shape, and lam is in full shape. Sa salam. Next letter, this one is Noon, ba, noon. Noon is written in half shape, one dot at the top of the letter, this is the sign of noon, and then one dot at the bottom of the letter, this is ba, noon, ba, and then the last noon is written in full shape. So we read it noon, ba, noon. Next one, this one is ba, noon, noon. Ba, noon, noon. One dot at the bottom of the letter, this is the sign of ba, and then one dot at the top of the letter, this is noon, and then again one dot at the top of the letter, this is noon. Okay, so the first noon is the middle noon, this one is written in half shape, and then the last noon is written in full shape. Okay, jazakallah khair. So we read it ba, noon, noon. Next letter is ta, ya, noon. First one is ta, two dot at the top of the letter, this is a sign of ta, and ya, two dot at the bottom of the letter, this is ya, and one dot at the top of the letter, this is noon, sign of. Okay, so first one ta is written in half shape, and then ya is also written in half shape, the last noon is written in full shape. We read it ta, ya, noon. Again ta, ya, noon. Next one is ya, ta, noon. First one is ya, two dot at the bottom of the letter, and next is middle one is ta, two dot at the top of the letter, and then one dot at the top of the letter, this is noon. First one ya is written in half shape, then the middle ta is also written in half shape, then the last noon is written in full shape. We read it ya, ta, noon. Ya, ta, noon. The next one is sa, noon. First one is sa, three dot at the top of the letter, this is the sign of sa. Then the middle is also sa, three dot at the top of the letter, this is the sign of sa, and then one dot at the top of the letter is, this is noon. Okay, so first one sa is written in half shape, and then the middle sa is also written in half shape, then the last noon is written in full shape. So we read it sa, noon. Sa, noon. Then the next one is jim. We already read the letter, one dot at the bottom at the middle of the letter is jim. Then ha, is like jim, but no any dot, is empty. We read it ha. And then next is kha, one dot at the top of the letter, and the shape of the letter is like jim, and the dot is on the top, so we read it kha. This kha is heavy with a dot, and without a dot this one is light ha. And then the next one is ha, sa. This is the light ha, the red color written in half shape. We read it ha, then sa, 3 dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of sa. Sa is written in full shape and ha in half shape. We read it ha sa. Next is kha ba. Kha, this is the heavy kha, and ba is written in full shape, 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of ba, so we read it kha ba. Next one is jim ta. Jim, 1 dot at the middle of the letter, and the letter shape is like this one, written in half shape. Ta is in full shape. We read it jim ta. Jim ta. Then the next one is ta ha ta. First one is ta, 2 dot at the top of the letter, then ha without a dot, light ha, then ta is written in full shape and 2 dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of ta, so we read it ta ha ta. Ta ha ta. So dear student, this is our today lesson. Inshallah, see you tomorrow with another lesson. Inshallahul Aziz. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.